have these two, and I don't know if I can have you help me put these on. New hash marks. We've got, it's a hash mark and a tail. I'll show you.
I like how big of a box with a bunch of paper they throw in the box.
I know.
They're just some stickers.
But yeah, it's got this little tail.
Stickers.
And it goes,
Oh, okay.
and it goes like kind of over the door of the car. But yeah,
Alright, so what do you want wrapped?
corner,
Okay.
matte black across the white here, same spot on the other side.
Not black, so we matched the that we did.
Yeah. The mirrors I wanted to do black and then cut it here, so this piece right here is still white, but black.
So you
around
want
the
this all
thing.
black?
Yeah. And probably the gas cap too. I don't know. There might be other stuff that I think of.
So just mirrors, the front bumper, and the gas door?
Yeah. Yeah, just
Okay.
a lot of little stuff.
It's easy enough. Mirrors can be a fun one, but totally doable.
Yeah.
It's totally doable.
Yeah, and these rods, I mean, I can just unbolt the bottom and flip them up so they're out of the way.
Yeah.
Just taking the whole bumper off is kind of a pain.
Nah, we won't have to pull it off. We'll leave it on. We should be able to wrap with everything attached still and cover all the white. Be alright. So that'll be easy. So, and then I'll wrap the gas door with a tailored tee underneath of it.
Okay.
I can't wait till we go to a big shop so we can do your whole car instead. Because then you can do my flooring.
Yeah, that's true.
So Anthony here does flooring for shops and stuff like that.
Yeah.
What else do you do?
I mean, garages, restaurants, retail, warehouses, all sorts of stuff.
There you go. Yeah, so if you guys need any floors and you're a business owner, or you know a friend that's a business owner and needs a floor, hit up our guy,
Yeah,
Anthony.
there you go.
We're going to put his Instagram in here somewhere. I'm not sure where yet, but Carl's got it. He's a master at it. So contact him if you need work done on your floor. He's going to do our floor when we go into a bigger, better shop that's fully tailored out. So check it out. What else we got? Anything else that we need to do on your car?
I don't think so. I think that's it. Yeah, I'll probably drop it off like the night before or something.
Actually, you might even just do it. Drop it off Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Drop it off Tuesday or Monday. One of those 2 days, and then that lets us let it dry off
Yeah.
and set the shop. And then I can get Derek busted out
Okay.
for us too.
Alright, yeah, I'll drop it off the roof at some point, but I want to see what it looks like with all this other stuff.
I think we're getting to the point where we almost need to be honest.
Yeah.
No, there is a lot of lines, but there's a certain technique that we can use that should be able to help him get it all without having to pull it off.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get him trained on that some more. It's so weird having a camera in front of me. And Carl, do you watch our video, our vlog? Oh, you're killing me.
No, I didn't even know you had one.
Yeah, Carl over here busted it out. He did it.
Yeah.
We released it earlier today at 12.
Alright.
Very first tailored auto sign vlog.
Pretty good.
No, you gotta go check it out.
Yeah, sure.
So you take this, you lay it on the surface. It's got a little string in the middle of it. So you lay it on the surface and then you pull it back. And when it's on the surface, you snap it, holding it down so the string comes out. Because then you're a master technician with knifeless. So you got your knifeless taped down, and then you pull it back a little bit. And you pinch it right here at the end, and you snap. And it pulls the string out. And you just drag the string. That's how you do necklace tape.
Yes, ma'am. What is your question? Those are just roof wrap pieces that we're not using anymore, so I can use them for whatever I want now.
Found some.
On this too, I don't know if
That's
this.
what I was gonna say. We probably have enough gloss to make it happen.
Yeah, I think I want this there, so it's lost. windshield swap.
Yeah, rear wrap becomes a hood wrap. I cut this off technically for the roof wrap.
Oh, okay.
Got ahead of myself and cut the material before I got an answer.
Well, at least that fits a few things, you know.
Right?
We should keep going. Sweet.
I have material for this, so I'm going to start busting this out, tearing it apart.
So is that soap or wax?
Wax.
Liquid wax?
Using a clay bar and wax. Alright, clay bar on the surface, it just helps the clay bar slide across the surface really smoothly. And then the clay bar does all the contaminant destroying.
So what are you doing over here, Michaela?
Doing some cleaning prep work for a chrome delete, making sure everything gets cleaned really good, so that way no residue is left over, so that I will have a harder time to let the material stick to it. So alcohol and clean it until it's clean.
Excellent.
Or something to let you know.
Cool, yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
You have a good rest of the trip. You too. Enjoy yourself.
Where do you guys powder coat? Down in Eugene. There's a company called Korean Concepts. Yeah, if you need breaks or anything powder coat, let us know. What's up, Mikey?
How you doing?
You know, I feel like crap today. Allergies are killing me today and yesterday.
Oh yeah.
We went out to McMinnville and then out to Eugene. All down the back roads. Woo! Bad idea. Remembered why I don't live out there anymore. So what you guys
Your wife messaged me and said that I need to take this car for a test drive.
Michaela? Any confirmation on this?
What are you doing over here, Reed?
Putting vinyl on the cutter to get some stickers cut. It's also too early in the morning to ask me questions.
It's never too early to explain what you're doing for Taylor.
It's too early in the morning. It's 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
It's technically 1 o'clock in the afternoon.
Really?
Yeah, it's 1:09.
It's 12 o'clock in Hawaii. The Savage Rally.
What other sides of the other ones you did?
Anthony, do you remember what size the last ones were?
Figure this out.
Text messages.
Yeah.
cutting off the extra, then weeding the product that the customer wants.
Oh, you didn't cut deep enough.
It's masking. Put it over the sticker so you can transfer it to vehicle so everything stays aligned. Unless you really want to pull everything off and stick on the car light that way, this makes life easy. So just pull that, stand at the edge of the table, hang that over the edge. It's pretty much strong enough to pull the sticker off so you can transfer it to where you need it to go. If you watch, and in 5 seconds, photo edit of said stuff being probably on the vehicle.
Good. Keep on the paint that long.
They won't have a problem with it. It's wrap material.
I guess that is true. So sticker material on a car wouldn't be a bad thing. Just
It's harder to take off later.
It looks so weird from the front. I used to get the old hash marks on the top of the fender.
Hey, can you hear me now? So, he's got this fancy button right here. So this is all the way closed, this is halfway open, and this is all the way open. So what it's doing is there's a electronic cutout in the exhaust system halfway in that basically opens dump tubes. Instead of going all the way to the back, it goes out that hole, and that's why it gets louder.